Hi everyone, today we are diving into a super helpful tool which is Google Lens. If you ever wanted to learn more about something just by pointing your camera at it, this tutorial is best for you. Google Lens lets you identify objects, scan QR codes, translate text, and even shop for products in seconds. Whether you're using Android or iOS, I'll guide you through how to get started and use this powerful tool. Ready? Let's go. First thing first is how you can access Google Lens. Well, if you're an Android user, open the Google application or Google Apps or the Google Photos and tap the lens icon. It looks like a small camera. Some Android phones even have lens built into the camera app. For iPhone users, it's just as easy. Download the Google app or use Google Photos, then tap the same lens icon. Well, as you can see here in the Play Store, when you access the Play Store, you can also download or install Google Lens. Just install it by clicking the download button and then open this application. So let's start by identifying objects around you, whether it's a plant, a landmark, or even a product you want to use or more about. Just point your camera at it and Google Lens will automatically recognize it and give you a relevant information. As you can see here, we are already inside the Google Lens app. I want you to swipe down, then it will open this camera interface. Make sure that your object that you want to scan is already prepared into the surface. And as for me, this is the example image or example object that I want to scan. There is this scan button or the search button. When you click this, it will capture the object and crop it, and it will show every relevant result regarding it. You can either choose a product regarding this object, see the visual matches, and know more about this image. It will just show the information regarding the image or what are the found results regarding the object. And remember, you don't always need to be live since Lens work with images in your photo gallery too. So let's head back to our Lens. And for example, I'd like to capture an image of this object. Just click this capture button. Then let's head back to our Lens. Then let's say that I want to know the name of this product. Just click this, which is the image that we just captured, and then it will generate the result or the names of this product. Next, let's talk about text recognition and translation. Ever come across a piece of text that you need to copy or translate quickly? With Google Lens, it's easy. Open Lens, point it at any text like a book, sign, or document, and it will instantly recognize the text. For example, I'd like to make a copy of a Arabian text. You just need to point your lens at it, and now as you can see, it has detected that it is in Arabic language. As you can see, it has converted my text into English, and now we can read it easily. It is stated here that RAT helps them achieve their personal and professional goals through education. Well, as you can see, as long as the lens is covered or has covered the entire text, it will convert it to English or any language that we can understand. You can edit that here by clicking this. You can also use the Batawi language. Also, I want to tell that you can also use it to copy text from physical documents and paste it directly into an email or note. Another cool feature of Google Lens is its ability to help you shop. Let's say you see an awesome pair of shoes, but don't know where to buy them. Open Lens, then point your camera at the shoes, and Lens will search the web for similar products and show you where to buy them. As for an example, I'd like to search for a random shoes in the web, like a Nike shoes. This is just for the demo, and we want to place the lens into it. If it will be able to recognize the shoe and where we can avail them in our location. Click the search button here, then click the search. As you can see, it has detected that it is Nike Dunk High by You custom men's shoes. When you click this, it will redirect you to the exact page that we want to buy this shoe. And as you can see here, this is the exact online shop or the Nike shop that you can purchase this shoe. And for the last section of this video is that did you know that Google Lens can help you solve math problems too, whether it's a handwritten equation or a printed one from your textbook. Lens will scan the problem and solve it for you. So this is just an example, and I'll be able to get the answer quickly just by scanning or placing the lens or Google Lens into this problem. Let's say I want to solve a derivative problem. This is the derivative example problem that I want the Google Lens to solve. Just click this icon here, which is the homework icon. I forgot to place it right into the formula, so click the back button. Then click this. Position it exactly into the formula. And as you can see, it has generated this web results regarding the answer to this homework. Just click this. Just click the formula that matches to the derivative problem. And there you go. You just had the solution or answer for this assignment or for your problem. Alright, let's wrap things up. Today, we explored a variety of ways to use Google Lens, including how to access it, identify objects around us, recognize and translate text, shop and search for products, and even solve math problems like the derivative example. As we have seen, Google Lens is an incredibly versatile tool that can streamline many of your everyday tasks, making them quicker and more efficient. Well, I highly encourage you to try incorporating Google Lens into your daily routine. With a little practice, it will become second nature, and you'll find new ways to make your life easier. Well, again, thanks so much for tuning in today, and don't forget to dive deeper into its advanced features like integrating Google Lens with Google Assistant for an even more seamless experience. Stay curious and see you next time, and thank you for listening.